Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's check a new Matchbox, new basics and moving parts. So let's check them out. A 2023 Matchbox number 7 out of 100. A 1970 Honda N600 off-road. This is a brand new casting with man number MB1347. Is an overland racing version of a first mass-produced automobile by Honda. A 2023 Matchbox number 76 out of 100, a Polaris RZR. The black body with grey and red deco scheme resembles that of a model inaugural deco from 2020. This is the 2023 model in glossy black, while the 2020 model is matte black. A 2023 Matchbox number 40 out of 100. A 2019 Jeep Renegade. The Renegade model is in a metallic white for its 2023 release. A 2023 Matchbox number 90 out of 100. A Tesla Model X. The Model X on metallic grey with the black spoke wheels. A 2023 Matchbox number 44 out of 100. A 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E. This light grey enamel is a fourth color the model has been released over past 8 months. The Mach-E has been released in a copper red, yellow orange, medium blue enamel and the light grey enamel. A 2023 Matchbox number 18 out of 100. A 1936 Ford Coupe. This is the second release of this casting since it's the first release in 2022. It got a great color for this model, looks alike to a poppy red, a nice detailing on her headlights and grille. A 2023 Matchbox number 59 out of 100, a Ice Cream King. A summertime favorite truck, a Ice Cream King, is in a hot pink with good googly cones livery. The googly eyes placed over all the truck deco. A 2023 Matchbox number 24 out of 100, a 2016 Ford Interceptor Utility. The country sheriff theme is used on this 2023 Matchbox model release. The same theme was used on a 2006 Ford Crown Victoria police model issue in a Matchbox Supreme Heroes collection back in 2015. A 2023 Matchbox number 33 out of 100, a 2016 Chevy Camaro convertible in a complete yellow paint job with a 5-spoke chrome wheels. A 2023 Matchbox number 38 out of 100, an International Workster Ambulance. The livery theme for this release is MBX Country EMS. The number 1178 on a red sides is also the casting number of a model. A 2023 Matchbox number 3 out of 100, a 1992 Autozam Mazda AZ1. The real road version of a AZ1 was not successful in its original release back in 1992. The unsold models were modified to make it appear sportier, but that was not successful either. The vehicle was only produced from 1992 to 1993. This Matchbox model MB1365 appears to replicate the details of a car well. The actual car had a gull wing doors. A 2023 Matchbox number 78 out of 100, a Porsche Cayenne Turbo. The Cayenne is in a medium metallic blue for its 2023 release. The 75th Porsche logo at the top of card. Porsche is celebrating the 75th year anniversary in 2023. A 2023 Matchbox number 65 out of 100, a Dune Dog. The Leon's Bros deco has been seen on a number of models, in a variety of formats including racing, construction and commercial towing. A 2023 Matchbox moving parts number 9 out of 54, a 2021 Fiat 500e. This new casting MB1376 of a Fiat 500e vehicle includes a die-cast metal hatch that opens. Deco is placed on the front and rear of the model. Matchbox makes a 2019 Fiat Turbo model with a similar profile. A 2023 Matchbox moving parts number 13 out of 54, a Mercedes-Benz Unimog U5 023. This new Unimog MB1380 has been a new unique moving parts feature, although the artwork on the pack suggests the back of a truck titles. The truck actually twists. The die-cast metal cab and a front axle are connected to the die-cast metal rear section and axle by one swivel, allows each half of a truck to place on its independent axle on different driving planes. A 2023 Matchbox moving parts number 32 out of 54, a 1965 Land Rover Generation 2 pickup. The Land Rover Generation 2 pickup continues a livery theme of a Jungle Safari X. Another Land Rover model, a 1965 Land Rover Generation 2, was released in a very similar deco some years ago. It seems fitting to compare the related models here. A 2023 Matchbox moving parts number 44 out of 54, a 1978 Subaru Brat. This light blue metallic version of a Subaru Brat model is a fourth release in 3 years. It has been released in red, white, black and now in blue. The die-cast metal hood opens to display a detailed engine with the inkjet deco highlights. A 2023 Matchbox moving parts number 38 out of 54, a 1995 Volkswagen Golf MK3. The MB1311 casting of a Volkswagen Golf is released in a seafoam green enamel. The MB1311 casting of a Volkswagen Golf is released in a seafoam green enamel. Deco is applied to the front and rear. The die-cast metal hatch opens on a rear. The model comes with 2 different interiors. A 2023 Matchbox moving parts number 26 out of 54, a 2019 Ram ambulance. The MB1310 casting of a Ram ambulance in the US market, the 2022 release never appeared in local markets. The Matchbox Fire Department theme of a red and light orange carries over for the recent release Converse set with the Matchbox original design of a MBEX megaton fire truck and an international ambulance. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and press the bell icon to all notifications so you can stay for further more updates. See you next time.